Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is AH for Truth. Merry Christmas to you all. It's Christmas Day, actually, and I didn't think I'll make a video today, but I saw a question a day ago on my channel that really concerned me. Now, if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe. Um, let's have a conversation. Let's grow together. I've been talking about crypto now for over a year from November last year. So I'm in my 13th month and I'm kind of excited to see what the future holds. But there have been claims from some very, I would say, sound crypto people who are knowledgeable about crypto are saying that XRP would go to zero or it's worthless and all of that, and that it won't rise to a high price. And people have been concerned. The recent question I had with respect, I've had these questions over time, but was just yesterday, and it spurred on this. Desire to make a video about it. Please follow me on Patreon. And I started my Patreon a couple of months ago, 3 months ago. I'm so excited. Thank you for all those who have already become members. Merry Christmas to all of you, my members on YouTube, my subscribers on YouTube, and my Patreon members. And those of you who bought my book, Crypto Made Easy, you can find that in the description if you're new to crypto. All right. So there's this talk about how stable coins will be the ones that would settle everything, the cross-border payments, and all of that. Friends, I believe that people are missing the point, or that there's too much knowledge and confusion in this area, this arena. And so people who believed one thing are now believing something else. I want to say this. Here is what I have landed on: the fundamentals. And the fundamentals to me are like a pilot who has been trained on instruments. There are times my son is taking, flight school, so I do understand this. I knew about it before, but now even better because I have a family member kind of engaged in that, where a pilot who has not been trained in instrument flying, you can't trust them, right? Because there are times in the air where that you have very low visibility or no visibility at all. And there's also something called night rating. So instrument flying, night rating, they all go together. You want to know how to fly an aircraft, when you can't depend on your knowledge or your um, how would I say, your training, as it were, to fly an aircraft. You need the instrument. Okay. And even for night flying, right? You can't see anything. If you are landing, it's just those lights. What do you do? And I think that for us who are invested in crypto, particularly XRP, which is, I believe, will lead the ISO 222 blockchain digital assets, I believe that we are at a point where we should bring our instrument training into the forefront. Why? Because I mean, it's like flying at night now. It's like flying in stormy weather. It's like flying, you can't see the future, even though you can see the future. In this case, we know the future because the future hasn't happened. We can see, we don't even see the runway, or we're close to seeing the runway, or we are over the runway, but it's too dark. Why? Because there's conflicting, there's confusion, there's conflicting information, and people aren't sure of what to do. Somebody warmed my heart when I wished Merry Christmas on my YouTube post yesterday, and he said, I decided to join your channel December last year. You were the first person I saw, and I followed you ever since, and I've been so encouraged. See, it's not just about buying and storing, whether in cold wallets, hot wallets, or whatever, but we must be very confident and knowledgeable of the things that we have invested in as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. So if a pilot has been trained to fly depending on the instruments, it can be very stressful. I read somewhere where that's for new pilots, that it can be very paralyzing and disorienting. And one guy talked about his palms being like sweaty because of fear, consternation, not being sure. Are you sure this thing will, what's going to happen? But eventually they get used to it and they trust the instrument. So what instrument do we trust right now? There you go. Good question. What do banks talk about when they say they're like, when you do a mortgage, when you do a car note or payments, plan to buy a car with a loan or whatever, or you take a line of credit and you have to pay? It's called a financial instrument. So, what are the instruments that will help us to kind of focus on where we're going? I bring you, first of all, I think the very first document you should read is a Ripple Primer. It's on my Patreon. I had it there for everybody to just read, but I put it, behind the paywall now. Not the Ripple primer itself, but I made a little bit of a note to it. And the reason why I did that is because I realized that I'm working on this. I'm even going to add a video to it eventually, but I'm building it as we go, because this is something we're learning and building as we go. It's a completely new area, less than 20 years old. Crypto. So there's so much changing. Clarity Act will be passed in January. I don't believe all these cryptos will stay. So if XRP is going to be worthless, as they're saying, because there's an argument that stable coins will do it all, well, each country would have their own what? Digital currency, digital pound, digital real lire for Italy, right? Digital naira, e-naira. And there's going to be one in the US as well. Maybe they will use one of the ones that we know, maybe USDC. I don't know. There's speculation with that. But saying that XRP is just going to go to zero, or it's going to be like $8 and never go more than $10, and people are giving up, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. And what is my instrument rating? I'll tell you. I've trained myself on the instruments, the financial instruments. What is the big? How do you start before you start issuing mortgages? Before you become, a bank or whatever, right? There are certain things that have to be in place. The first instruments, the first documents, is the fact that you file to become a bank. When Ripple is filing to become a bank, you tell me that it's not going to happen. The price isn't going to go up. I don't know. Come on. Brad Garlinghouse said, everything we do at Ripple is centered around XRP. So the ledger itself is built, right? XRP ledger. The XRP is the native asset of the XRP ledger. I don't know how that is. Like, think about it for a moment. The price is going to increase. Brad Garlinghouse said something. He said, if there's value, if there's utility in the token, there will be value in the token. He also said his famous words. And this is not even about him. It's about research that I have done personally. And I'm not showing anything this morning. I'm just wishing you a Merry Christmas and saying, guys, I think it's fitting to say, hey, Merry Christmas. Christ was born, right? And he came and he grew up into a man, and he gave himself for the salvation of the world. The angel said, for his name shall be Jesus, because he will save the people from their sins. And as I meditated on all of that this morning, I thought to myself, here is this question. Maybe one of the gifts I can give out to everybody today, because I can't give you all money and send you all gifts, is to tell you that there's no reason to fear. If you have a bag of XRP and you want to add to it, you know what? I would add to it. If the price drops, I'll add to it, because its own time is coming. My instrument reading is watching all that has been happening, and they've now filed to become a bank. It's been approved, a national trust bank. That's Ripple. Everything they do centers around XRP, and XRP is going to go to $10 and stay there. No, the banks must have it at a high price. The financial institutions must have it at a high price. It'll be like digital gold or digital platinum or digital something else. It'll be of a very high value, by the way. And the value is not trumped up. The value is actually something that is real. Why? Because it's solving a problem. And my house solves a problem, a place for me to live. There's value. I paid for it because I knew what it will do for me, raising my family, having a place for my children to live and be at peace and happy with my wife and all that. Anything that has value, anything that has utility will have value. That's what I want to say. So I live in this house. The hotels, when you're on the highway and you need a place to stay, you go into a hotel. There's value. And you pay. And the hotel owner makes money and they're happy and they smile to the bank. You think they will create a product and not even know? Friends, go to my Patreon, read the Ripple Primer. It'll be a blessing to you. Why? Because you will see how historically all of this is changing. I am like the pilot at this point. If I don't see anything, if I don't understand anything, you know what? I have read the fundamentals. I have reviewed it. I have researched it, and I've seen the fundamentals. I know this is going somewhere, and I stand on that, and nothing can change my mind about what is coming. So be encouraged. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Have a fabulous day. Hopefully, I'll come live later in the day. I'm not sure. It depends on how busy we are. We have guests and all of that. But it's going to be an amazing day. And 2026 will be a wonderful year for cryptocurrencies. Have a wonderful one. I'll see you guys in the next one.